Hello and welcome to my kitchen. You're currently in a cupboard because I was not about to make a tripod, hence this. Yeah, I wasn't about to bring my tripod into the kitchen, so I thought just shove it in a cupboard because this works, right? It does work. Today I'm going to be making some chocolate chip cookies. I sound really boring. Yeah, and I look really cute, obviously, lockdown vibes. I want to do some like makeup videos and stuff, but realistically this is the most makeup I've worn the whole time and the most outfitty thing I've worn. So yeah, this is also the most productive thing I've done. So we're making cookies. I'm using the BuzzFeed Tasty recipe as like a basis, but I don't have all the ingredients, nor like I don't have enough chocolate, because basically I ordered some chocolate last night from on delivery because I just don't want to leave the house. It's just not an essential trip, is it really? So I just ordered like a bar of chocolate, and this is 110 grams, and you're supposed to have 110 grams of this and then 110 grams of like another type of chocolate, but I don't have that. So we're just gonna have some only lightly chocolated cookies. Yeah, that's the word, isn't it? So yeah, we'll just get started then. Right, I can't find the granulated sugar. I just found brown sugar, which I didn't think we had. So I'm gonna Google what's the difference between granulated and caster sugar. I swear we had granulated sugar. Okay. So the difference is it's more finely like milled, which means it dissolves quicker, which means it makes more like spongy things, which kind of isn't right. So I don't know what to do. I could just risk it. I could just risk it and see how it is. I'm going to ask my mum, see if we have any granulated sugar. I thought we did, and now I'm just a bit confused. But if we come back and I'm using caster sugar, then we aren't going to judge me, because I'm not about to go to the shop and go through that whole bloody palaver just to get some sugar. This is turning into a really fun game of what is what. So I need baking soda. Obviously this is an American recipe. We have baking powder, which I'm pretty sure is different to baking soda, and we also have bicarbonate of soda. This might be baking soda. Hey Siri, what's the difference between baking soda and bicarbonate of soda?
Sodium bicarbonate, commonly known as...
It's baking soda. Okay, I've managed to make a mess of the floor, but now we've got most of the ingredients out, I get to actually make them, because I don't want to sound like privileged or anything, but I do have quite a tiny kitchen, so this is going to be interesting. This is also really bugging me. So I've got my mixing bowl and my measuring bowl. Obviously this isn't the one that usually goes on the scales, but I don't know where that is, so I actually just turned it on without having the bowl on it already, so it's kind of annoying. Right, no, I'm not waiting, TBA. Okay, so the maths is, we need 165 grams of this, we're on 140 now, so 200. We need this to be at 305. I'm really hoping we have enough. Oh, please be enough. Are you shitting me? The scale's just turned off. Right, put it in. Fuming. I'm actually kind of worried that we don't have enough either, because right, we need 165. We've got like 20 grams left and not a lot of sugar left. 165. Oh no, we've got enough. It's not focusing on me because I'm looking down. I realise that's not going to be very entertaining, looking at the top of my head. Especially when it's greasy and my roots are really bad, so soz about that. Right, next sugar. This is the sugar that shouldn't really be in here, but we're going with it. So I opened this, right, and I was having problems, and I realised just now that I opened it upside down, and that's why it was a bit difficult for me. So, oh, I missed. Need 100 grams of this. I don't know how you make making videos entertaining. I need a teaspoon of salt, so I'll just get some salt and just you know. I think that's about 1 teaspoon. We'll run with that. We've got butter, and I don't know how much we have of this. I think we'll go with the big chunk. That's 111. We need 115. I might just leave it. It's only 4 grams. Like, what a big difference. What's that gonna make? From what I've seen on American recipes and British recipes, I think all-purpose flour is self-raising flour. I'm gonna do more googling. All-purpose flour in England, plain flour. That one, close call butters. I've decided it's not gonna be ready yet, so I don't know why it's butter. Like, it's supposed to melt quickly. I'm gonna get the whisk ready. It's actually kind of annoying how I like this setup more than the setup in my bedroom, because right now I don't have a setup in my bedroom. Good stuff. Enjoyable. I just know that the bowl for the butter is gonna be really hot, so I don't really know, because that was supposed to be my measuring bowl, and I'm just an idiot, because no, I'm not gonna be able to touch it without a towel. Do you know what? I'm thinking I should have cut this butter up before I melted it. There's still like one big chunk, but I figure when it's all blended it will mix out. Honestly, I'm just making a ton of compromises here, and it just splashed all over me. Fun stuff. Right, now we mix. It's taking me 10 minutes to do the first thing. It said do this until a paste forms, right? I'm not sure how you're supposed to get a paste with sugar, especially if the sugar was granulated. Like, that's where we're at right now. But how am I supposed to? I don't know. I feel like that sort of counts as no lumps. So we're gonna go with it, and I'm gonna add. I need to find the bloody vanilla extract. That's honestly, my baking cupboard is a mess, and it's just mixed weight eggs. Very helpful to not have them in categories when recipes say use a large egg or a medium egg or a small egg. I have genuinely no idea where the vanilla extract is, but I always make things without it anyway. So I think we're just gonna steam ahead. If it comes out gross, I have only myself to blame, really. Okay, I have to sift in the flour. My god, the effort. And the baking soda. How much baking soda do I need? Half a teaspoon. Again, I'm just gonna sprinkle and go with it. To be fair, I've been filming 18 minutes now. 18 minutes. And once we've done this, I just gotta put the chocolate in. And we could chill overnight. We're not going to. Half a teaspoon. That's like none. Like, I don't know how much that is. That's about half. Oh, you can't see, but that's about half a teaspoon. We're gonna, yeah. Okay. We're gonna get the sieve. I've just deeped the fact that me looking down for most of this video means I've had a double chin for most of this video. Also, I'd just like to point out, my glasses are serving absolutely zero purpose other than they made me look slightly more attractive. Okay. We've got to sieve it in and then fold, so this mixer is done with. I love doing this bit. I haven't made cookies in a while, so I haven't sifted things in a while. I never sift flour because usually I make brownies. Really shit brownies. I need a new brownie recipe because they just end up tasting like chocolate cake. But it's just so satisfying. Like, it just looks like snow. I love it. Not being funny. Flexi spatulas, 10 out of 10 the best. I don't really know like how to fold this because there's just, it's very liquidy and you can't fold liquid. Science. It says make sure to not overfold, but how am I supposed to know if I overfolded it because it didn't tell me? I don't think so. It says overmix. How am I supposed to know if I've overmixed? Maybe I just gotta mix it just until I've watched a few Try Guys Without a Recipe videos, and the instructions on them always say just do it until everything's blended. I'm gonna do like each piece in half, I think, because I've got a lot of dough and not a lot of chocolate. So we'll see. Because I'm lazy, I've got chocolate on my hands. I'm gonna be using the packet as a plate because that knife doesn't work. I don't know how I'm gonna cut these in half now because I'm just splitting them with my hands because the knife wasn't doing the job. I did it. I feel like I should actually get a chopping board though, because that was really loud and I have like a glass plate under it. I feel like filming at this angle might have not been the most productive thing I've done, but if I filmed lower where you could see what I was doing, you'd see me from like that angle, and that's not cute for anyone. I don't want that. So you get to use your imagination, which much more healthy during this time. Oh, I'm done. I need to wash my hands. I've cut up all the chocolate, so she's going in the dough. I think yeah, why not? Just put it all in at once. And then we fold. We fold. I hope no one came to this video hoping to learn how to make cookies. I have absolutely no idea how these are going to turn out. It's going to be interesting, I think. I think that's all folded in. So basically I have to let this sit for half an hour now. I'm going to preheat the oven while I do it, and I'm going to tidy up, and then we're going to come back and we're going to put these on the baking tray. Tastes fine. Tastes fine without the vanilla extract. We'll be okay. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. If you're wonky, I don't think it's that bad. The level said it was okay. It's because you balanced on top of a packet of potatoes and then a pan. So yeah, the pan is about to be up on the dough, and I thought I'd just do the baking paper. I always get this wrong. These are some new scissors, as you can tell. I always get this wrong, like, I never know. I always get it wonky, or I get too much. I feel like I might need more than one tray, so that's fun. Also, it said to use a ice cream scoop, but just that I'm normal. Right, there's the timer. I said to use an ice cream scoop, but I'm normal and I don't have an ice cream scoop. I was a bit from the side, don't stress. So I'm just gonna use a spoon. What do you think about it? I'm gonna try and make it as even as possible, but I'm gonna try and get like ice cream scoop size and try and get some chocolate in like every bit, I guess. Is this entertaining to watch me trying to get even scoops of this is like my worst trait, by the way. I literally cannot get even scoops of things. Like when I bake things, they're never even. So this is going to be fun. I don't know why I'm using a spoon and my hand. I could just use my hand. It said 4 inches apart. I don't know how much that is. I was going to make a joke, but I won't. I'm really tempted. I feel like I should maybe just do like 2 no, because then I'll use about 5 baking trays. We're gonna squash. If they merge, then they merge. I've given up using the spoon now because it's kind of pointless, and I've also realised there's a lot more chocolate in this bit, so I think we'll have some cookies that are a lot more chocolatey than the others. If that happens, I might just grab some bits out. I'm gonna do that now actually. I'm gonna grab some bits out and just like put them on top of these. Okay, baking tray 1 is done. Should I try and this lighting's not great, but I'm taking my thumbnail. I'm really scared they're gonna fall. I figure the more spread out I make them, the more spread out I make them, the better, because then they'll be like, I don't know, they won't like squash together. Just really should have looked how many this is supposed to make, because then I could have divided it equally. But I didn't, because I am an idiot. And these are going to be really large probably. Okay, I think, yeah. This is made... How many? 1, 2, 3, 4... 12, which is good because I don't know if my sister will eat them, but we're in a house of 4 right now, and so 12 is divisible by 4 and 3. Brilliant, amazing. I want to eat more, but apparently that's not going to happen. I still have a little bit of mix up, but it's not enough to make a whole cookie, so I'm going to pop these in the oven, wash my hands, and then we get to come back for the final reveal of the cookies, and they're probably going to be a shit show. I can't wait. Okay, they're out of the oven. They're a lot darker than I thought they would be. But I think when they cool, they'll be fine. Like, they look dark, but I bet they taste nice. But I'm gonna let them cool because they're quite squidgy and I don't want to pick them up and they fall apart. So I'm gonna leave them to cool, cover them up because my cats will eat them if I don't. And then we'll do a little taste test. But I'm quite happy with it. They don't look very chocolatey. But we move, it's fine. Right, cookies are ready. So I've got Olive, we're gonna do a taste test. Right. Very crispy. A bit burnt.
They are a bit burnt. They taste good though.
Yeah.
Just that. Look.
They are quite burnt.
If they weren't burnt, they taste really good. They do taste really good. They're just a bit crunchy.
So I hope you enjoyed this video of me making cookies. I have no idea how entertaining it was. I am kind of annoyed they're burnt, but they still taste pretty good. So I can't really complain. But yeah, like and subscribe. I don't know what the hell I'm going to film next, and I hate saying that, but I will see you whenever I can be bothered to film again.